Hi folks, I will be unboxing today. So I got some Matchbox cars in clearance from Walmart. So let's see what Walmart has given us. So this is the first box what we have got. So each box had two 8 pieces and one 9 pieces of box of Matchbox toys. Hoping to get something good. Let me show you. So this is the first one. What we have got here is, you can see. So this is the first one with the 8 series, I think. Well, it has one Honda Civic Type R. It has Mazda CX-5, Dodge Ram, 1932 Ford Coupe, and Chevy Caprice, Classic Police car, Cadillac 1975 Eldorado, and Citroen. So not bad, I would say. Specifically this one. Let's see what we have on the next one. This is a bummer, so I did not expect Walmart will do this, but they have given the same of 2. Maybe I will give away this one to my friends or to my kid. So let's see. And this is the third one, which is the pack of 9. It has, I think, one car similar to the other one. Could be the 1932 Ford Coupe. Other than that, it has a Matchbox MBX backhoe, Scout 4x4, Mazda, then from 2022 Ford Bronco, 1994 Chevy, and here we have Fiat 2019 500 Turbo, one Porsche 911 Carrera, and Honda Insight. So yeah, I would say I'm not impressed but not disappointed, but for this one, since I have got 2 of the same, I would say I'm a bit disappointed. But it is what it is. I'm collecting it for the first time, so learning that don't always go for clearance. Okay, we got ourselves the second pack. Finger crossed that we don't get more duplicates. If it is, that would be a really bummer for first time collector. Since not, we got something different on the very first one, which is this. I believe this is road roller water walker. I will open up this box later on the channel. And yeah, we got one more. This is a duplicate, so we have 3 of this. We have 3 of the same 8 box. So it's, I'm utterly disappointed. But luckily enough for us, we have the 9 box. The one they have is different. So at least something different. Anyway, so I will make a different video for unboxing this and showing you guys the cars. So as I shared, I'm a new collector. I'm new to Matchbox and Hot Wheels world. Doing this for, I would say I was inspired by my kid for doing this. So I hope you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me. Thank you.